Wake up! Oi! Wake up!
But you might see some common, overlapping dislikes and interests, and that is sleeping and napping, because it is a waste of time. And I would know because I am the guardian of time. And procrastinating, and vegetables, just like Iris Senpai, because they taste kind of disgusting. I'm sorry. We can't get along. And just working under pressure, because I have all the time in the world. I don't see why I have to be rushed for it. That doesn't make any sense. And rage-inducing games. Now, these are exceptions. If they're puzzle games, if they have a mix of puzzle or strategy, that's fine. But I'm a very angry person, so I wouldn't like it if I don't rage over a game, you know? Getting over it. Let's not. I'm already over that.